Hey Migs, I have something to tell you. This is about our friendship. This is a very important conversation.
What is it?
This time, I am serious. Since our graduation day is coming, we must have our farewell party, right? Well, that's a good idea. But
Don't oppose your plan because that's once in a lifetime.
Okay, Migs, but where?
Any suggestions?
What if in Kubuay White Beach?
That's a good idea. It's a beautiful spot. Okay. Most like of ice cream,
Hi, Dad.
How's the school?
I had a great day, Dad. But you know what, Dad? Our teacher in math gave us quiz and it's very difficult. But anyway, Dad, can I ask a permission? We will have our farewell party starting Sunday at 9 o'clock p.m. with my friends.
Okay, Sam, but before anything else, you must have to finish your household chores.
Okay, Dad, no problem.
But Paul, you must have to bring your younger sister Kathleen because I have my appointment on Sunday.
What, Dad?
No more excuses or else
Mga naog. Ang dilig.
beautiful place. Look at the sea. It's so blue.
do you have a delicious food?
Yes, we have kita pa.
Okay. Tia, come here. Look, it's a big fish. Where? Saan matagal to?
Hey guys, let's eat our lunch.
Okay.
Ay, rice boy. Sige pa doon, Chris. na ako. Ini. Kadako may kadako. Ako na pagdulog ako.
You know what? I'm so bad talaga.
Bakit?
Oh gosh! It's not Laura! It's her!
Oh, Alex, come here. Ano video?
Okay.
Shy.
It's you!
Do you still remember her? Alex.
Alex? Mabuti. Is that you? Papuka, is that you? Yes, it's me. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, you too. Thank you. Oh, we're going to visit. Oh, you still remember me? Yeah. Can I join you? Sure. Yeah.
Don't mean you, but I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait.